A person comes back home after grocery shopping and studies the grocery receipt in the kitchen. If you've only used AI to ask random questions or maybe draft a message, here are 5 ways it helped me save money this month. Counting down to the one that saved the most time too. For most people, AI means quick answers, rewriting a text, or cleaning up an email. Useful, yes, but that's usually where it stops. Meanwhile, people are still comparing prices manually, guessing which subscription to cancel, meal planning from scratch, and decoding bills the hard way. Those are the kinds of small money tasks AI can lighten fast. Where can AI make the biggest difference? Starting at number 5, price comparison. Give AI a short list of products, sizes, and prices from 2 stores, and it can turn that into a simple best value comparison. Coming in at number 4, subscription review. Paste your monthly subscriptions and rough usage, and AI can group them into keep, cancel, or downgrade options to review yourself. Those are helpful, but the top 3 save more because they help before you spend. And number 1 is the one most people never think to ask for. At number 3, grocery planning. Give AI your budget, a few ingredients you already have, and any food limits, and it can suggest a low-cost meal plan plus shopping list. At number 2, bill translation. Paste or upload a phone, internet, or redacted medical bill, and AI can turn it into plain English, highlight charges to question, and help you draft calm questions before you call. And finally, number 1, purchase pause coaching. Before buying something, give AI the item, price, and why you want it, and it can compare alternatives, total the real cost, and build a smarter wait-or-buy checklist. Use these as starting points, not final answers. You still need to verify prices, contract terms, bill details, return policies, and whether the suggestion actually fits your life. A good rule is this: if the task is repetitive, list-shaped, or starts with too much information, AI can usually organize the first version for you. Remember, AI can turn your budget and ingredients into a cheaper meal plan. It can translate confusing bills into questions you can ask. And finally, AI can slow down impulse buys with a smarter decision checklist. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. 5 ideas, 1 video. What should we count down next?